In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add borders and remove borders from images and embellishments in your family history project. These edits can be made within all family history projects. Open your project and head to the page you'd like to edit. You may click on the page or choose the Edit button underneath the page. Then, select the photo or embellishment you'd like to add a border to. You'll see a blue box with white squares around it, which means the image is selected. Then, click on the Border button in the top white toolbar. Click the up arrow with your mouse to increase the border size, or type in a number. To add or change the color, select from the predetermined colors, or you can use the color picker for a more precise color selection. To remove or change an existing border, select the photo and click the Border button in the top white toolbar. You may decrease by clicking the down arrow with your mouse, or you may type 0 into the box.